Introducing the 2008 BMW 328. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be impressed by a spectacular blend of technology, style, and refinement. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, a power convertible roof, rain-sensing wipers, and power front seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.